roles in various boards, this should be protect faculty from the being concerned down with too many other assignment and should provide opportunities for the academic governance representative to share contributions to the governance with their colleges or with their colleagues. So, playing the role in various boards, they should protect the faculty from being considered down with too many other assignments and should provide opportunities for the academic governance representative to share their contribution to the governance with their colleagues. Such authority should provide frequent opportunities for the junior faculty members to explore issues, challenge and concern in the balancing their governance role with other academician responsibilities or academic responsibilities. Here we can already define the number of academic responsibilities, but I would like to focus 2-3 more, that curriculum modification according to the national and international changes with the proper concern with the local needs and issues. The participation of the faculty in the governance, while a role in academic council or role in any higher authorities, he should be focused on the curriculum modification. Higher institutes, or we can say the higher education agencies are always giving the guidelines for the curriculum modification in higher education, for example UGC, AICT, NCT. But as a teacher, as a faculty, we can make a modification with the help of national and international changes, and those modifications are really concerned with the local needs and issues of the locality of particular universities. Second important thing in the governance, the demand of the local youth. A teacher, a faculty, when working as a role in the governance, he should be make the important thing, what is the demand of local youth. A university teacher or a college teacher should be mind always that what are the needs of my local youth. While we are deliberating all kind of the curriculum with the students, we should be focused on the needs of the youth and what they want to learn and how the learning is convert into their earning. This is a very important issue, and we can, when work as the member of faculty or member of faculty or member of higher authority in governance, we can make a changes accordingly. Nowadays this is a technology area, so we have to focus on easy modification of technology in teaching learning process. As a teacher, as a faculty, we need to focus always to use the proper technology to make very easy teaching learning process. While I am playing a role in the governance, I should be focused always in the pedagogy. So there are the variety of other ways in which the contribution of individual faculty can be recognized in the governance of universities. For example, solving the problems of the hostel. At the campus we see number of students are living in the hostel. They have a different kind of the problems. So faculty work as a member in higher authority, that time he or she should be focused the problems of hostels, and we can make the good mechanism to better living of the hostels for the students. This is a very important aspect in the higher education governance. Once we solve all the kind of the problems of students while they are living in the hostel, we can make say that the good governance is going on at the campus, in university, or we can say in the college also. There is another issue and important area is that refectory or mess. When the participation of the faculty in higher authority, or we can say making good governance, that time he or she should be focused the role and the importance of mess in the campus. If it will be work is easy, we can say the governance of the campus, we can say the governance of the campus is going smoothly. Another third issue, that campus cleaning physically and mentally. A faculty involvement in the governance to develop different kind of the activities which can be create the good and healthy environment at the campus. Last but not the least, SUPW, socially useful productive work. When a teacher playing the role in the participation of the governance, that time he or she should be focused on the SUPW. When making the rules and policy and procedure in the governance, our curriculum, our degrees, our all academicians is really useful for the socially useful productive work. If it is concernedly, it is right, we can go ahead and work accordingly for the better society. In the conclusion, I would like to say that the participation of the faculty in the governance of the university is very vital and important, and this include recognition either in internal department or indirect communication from the member of various boards to the individual, thanking them for their service in governance of the university, or directly or indirectly to the department and college also. So, I hope you will work as a faculty always in the good governance work. So, I wish to all of you, you should be play the important role in the making good governance of university, college and department. Thank you and all the best.